Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the TDR digital soil moisture sensor reader, the IC-RD1200. The TDR digital soil moisture sensor reader kit measures volumetric water content, permittivity, bulk EC, pore water EC, and temperature rapidly and accurately. Additional features of this easy-to-use professional TDR meter include data storage and export via the included USB thumb drive to a computer, waveform capture, a large 150ml soil sample volume, and a moisture sense time of under 1 second. What's more, there's no maintenance, no calibration required, and the accuracy and stability of measurements are unaffected by soil chemistry changes. The entire kit comes in a rugged box with a foam molded insert to keep your equipment safe, and includes a TDR probe guide, a dual function USB. This is used to export data from the SDI12 sensor reader, and you'll find the Acclima reader view software, user manual, and instructions on the USB. There's the TDR sensor, a USB-A to micro USB cable for charging, a wall adapter, and the handheld SDI12 sensor reader. This features the extra large LCD, a power button, 4 soft keys below the LCD. The functions of these buttons will change and have the current function listed above them on the LCD, the home key, and the read sensor key for performing rapid measurements. On the side you'll find a micro USB port for charging and data export, and the M12 connection to connect the TDR sensor. To get started, plug the sensor cable into the Acclima sensor reader. Tighten the lock nut by turning it clockwise until tight. Press the power key to switch the unit on. As you can see, a wealth of easy to understand information appears, including the current screen, time and date, battery status, guide notes, and options for the 4 soft keys. And that's what comes in the box with the IC-RD1200 TDR digital soil moisture sensor reader. For a video demonstrating how to set up, use, and export data from the IC-RD1200, see the video linked below. Or, for more information, speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Call 1300 737 871 or email customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.